Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a wall calendar on the Canva application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, go to your home page, then you should slide to the right side of the screen at the top till you find the prints button. Tap on it. Slide to the right side again, click on wall calendar. Here you have a bunch of preset options that you can choose from. Tap on the relevant one, and once it is loaded, you should start customizing it. So zoom in and then you will be able to change the color of it. As you can see, you can change the box color, the borders can be selected and set to, as well as the table spacing, the font size and color can be changed to, as well as the format. You can add the elements to it such as stickers, graphics, lines and shapes. You can also insert photos from your camera roll, or you can also take a picture with your phone and then insert it if you would like an image to be inserted in your calendar. And you can add filters to it, adjustments can be made, and basically that's it for this video, guys. If you want to save it, tap on this save button at the top and you will be able to print it out if you have the option. So that's pretty much it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.